What's up? This is Matt. Cookout. Northwest style. Motherfucking grinder. This is half of it from the YOLK'S across the street. Totally looks like shit. And the other half of it wasn't that tasty, but you know, I wanted something remotely handmade or whatever. So it's decent. The soup I got was super thick, like they didn't fucking water it down enough, so like as you can see, yeah, it's still pretty thick, and I've added like 2 ounces of water to it. Little 12-ounce container. I'll pour some more in just to show you. Other than that, it's a pretty good deal. I got it was under $6, and a sandwich like this over at fucking Jimmy John's would be like $8 if you want double meat, which is equal to the single meat at this one. I'm trying to go off to the side so you don't see this logo. I gotta keep that undercover. So I hope you guys in YouTube land are having a good day, and I'm fucking, you know, just getting my soup on. Trying to go with something a little healthier, but I guess it's not that healthy when it's full of sodium and sugars and shit. At least it was super hot. Yeah, maybe I can do this with my hand and just, there we go, cover up my logo. I try to take all the opportunities I can to, you know, get what food I'm eating on there. It's just, I mean, it's a food show. It's becoming not one, but whatever, man. Classic grinder. Black Forest ham, salami chopped up. I got it hot, so toasted with cheese. A vinaigrette and mayo. Pretty simple, but you know, it's an East Coast thing. I've been just trying to have different stuff every day because I get sick of the same fucking shit every day. Light fucking sucks. But anyway, I'm gonna get a better camera soon. Wanted to go shoot some machine guns too, or next time I rent or use a decent car that's worth showing off. Who is that? I'll show that too. So anyway, I do got some cool stuff coming up, and I'm planning things for the next season already. I'm gonna do a page by page from the Weber cookbook and just cook all of the fucking shit in it. Just do it all. Then the following season is going to be more of just like random things, and that might be the in-between for the actual technical beginning of season 2, which I'm doing now. This isn't even really like a real season of stuff that I posted over the last month or so. So that's what it is. The sandwich is pretty good, but camera sucks, lighting sucks, audio sucks most of the time. Increase viewership. Gotta do that. Anyway, Matt, broadcast, live from Spokane, Cookout Northwest. If you like this video, hit the like button. Just hit the subscribe. You want to see some more. Other than that, my name's Matt, and I am fucking out of here.